does not fear the venom of the deadly serpent, for he knows no fear. The Mongoose, with astonishing speed, dodges the Cobra's strikes with elegance and counters with his lethal blows. In the end, the Cobra surrenders, as the Mongoose escapes with breathtaking agility. The Cobra is one of the deadliest threats the weaver birds may ever face, ruthlessly hungry, merciless, and relentless in its vengeance. As this season begins, the danger grows even more. The Cobra is an expert tree climber. The weavers feel the creeping menace. Tension hangs thick in the air. There's no stopping the swift march of the Cobra. It's getting closer, disturbingly close. And finally, the attack begins, full force. For the Cobra, this is more than enough.